In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Airtable automatically. Let's start from your Airtable dashboard. Go ahead and open Airtable in your browser and sign in if you need to. On the main dashboard, you'll see a list of your bases, which are essentially your different databases or projects. Take a moment to locate the base where you suspect you might have duplicate records, because that's the one we'll be working with. Click on that base to open it. Once it loads, you'll see your usual table view with all your fields and records. Before making any big changes, it's always a good idea to quickly scan your data. And if it's critical information, consider making a backup or duplicating the base. That way you have something to fall back on if you change your mind later. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a Tools drop-down. Click on that, and from the options that appear, select Extensions. Extensions are add-ons that expand Airtable's functionality, and we're going to use one specifically designed for finding and cleaning up duplicates. In the Extensions panel, click on Add an Extension. This will open the extension marketplace. In the search bar that appears, type dedupe. You should see the dedupe extension show up in the results. This is the tool that will automatically find duplicate records for you based on the fields you choose. Click on Add to install the dedupe extension to your base. Once it's added, the extension will open and prompt you to configure how it should look for duplicates. You'll see a list of fields from your table with toggles next to them. Turn on the toggles for each field you want the extension to use when identifying duplicates. For example, you might enable tracking on fields like email, name, or phone number, depending on what makes sense for your data. The more specific you are, the more accurate your duplicate detection will be. After you've enabled tracking for the relevant fields, the extension will search your table. When it finds potential matches, you'll see an option to review one set of duplicates or more, depending on your data. Click on that to start reviewing. You'll now see the records that Airtable thinks are duplicates. Click on the record you want to keep as your main one, then choose Use as Primary Record. This tells Airtable which version should be preserved. Finally, click on Merge and delete one record, and then confirm by clicking Merge. Airtable will combine the information into your primary record and remove the duplicate, keeping your base clean and consistent.